Here, I want to mention some other tips and tricks that can hopefully help you and make your life easier when performing your translations. These will be short videos with basically one tip for each video so that they'll be easier to refer to in the future. I'll be discussing several online tools that you can use for making your life easier. Some deal with time management tips, some are tips for sharing work and recommending fellow translators, as well as some help for just organizing your work, among other things, let's say. Now, as a disclaimer, I have said this before, but this bears repeating. Once again, I'm not getting any payment or any benefit of any sort to name names. I am going to name a lot of names of apps, of books, of websites, etc., etc. And however, I am not getting paid by anyone to say them. These are just apps and books and websites, etc., that I like. Or even if I don't like, I'll tell you that I don't like them. These are just my opinions and based on my experience and are things that hopefully you can find helpful as well. So once again, all of these will apply to working as a freelance translator, and many of them, in fact, most of them probably apply to your work life in general, if you're a freelancer or no matter what you do, if you work for yourself. And some of them just apply to life in general. But regardless, these are tips that have helped me along the way, and hopefully they'll help you too.